Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need to start by gathering facts. I can't help bypass passwords. First, confirm the device model and iOS version and connect to Wi-Fi. Once done, make sure the device has at least 20% battery and you know the Apple ID email or phone tied to it. If you don't have the password, collect proof of purchase and the serial number. You'll need these for official recovery. These steps speed up Apple's account recovery or activation lock support. Now attempt standard recovery first. Go to Settings, tap Sign In, then choose Forgot Apple ID or password and follow on-screen steps. If recovery fails and the device is not activation locked, create a new Apple ID at Appleid. Apple.com or in Settings, then Sign In. If activation lock appears, don't attempt workarounds. Contact Apple support with your proof of purchase and serial number so they can remove the lock legally. This protects your data and device integrity. To finish, sign in with the new or recovered Apple ID, enable two-factor authentication, and update your password and recovery contacts so you don't repeat this. Once signed in, you can erase and restore the device from iCloud if needed. Make sure you're signed in securely before erasing. If things go wrong, activation lock, missing proof, or account disputes, escalate to Apple support and provide purchase documentation. They'll guide legal removal. I won't assist with bypassing security measures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.